Every time your application crashes at 3 a.m., DevOps is the reason it doesn't happen again. Today that changes. Imagine a restaurant. The chef in the kitchen cooks amazing dishes. The waiters out front serves the customers. Seems simple, right? But there's a problem. Between the kitchen and the dining hall, there is a thick brick wall. The chefs just throw the dishes over the wall, hoping they land. Sometimes the foods are cold, sometimes it's in the wrong order. The waiters are furious, the chefs are defensive, and the customers, they are leaving the bad reviews. This is the wall of confusion, and in the tech, it costs companies millions of dollars. That's where DevOps comes in. DevOps means development plus operations, and it's a culture and set of practices that breaks down the wall. No more throwing the code over the fence. Chefs and waiters are working side by side. Here's the clever part. DevOps doesn't just remove the wall, it replaces it with a continuous loop. Think of it like a conveyor belt from kitchen straight to the table. The cook, taste, serve, get feedback, improve, all in a seamless cycle. The infinity symbol is the DevOps logo for a reason. In computing, that conveyor belt has a name which is called CI/CD, which is the continuous integration and continuous delivery. Every time a developer writes a code, it's automatically built, tested, and deployed. No manual handoff. No, it works on my machine, and if something breaks, monitoring, it catches it instantly, like a taste tester checking every plate. Stay with me. The next part is where most tutorials stop explaining. DevOps isn't just a tool. It's like a mindset shift. The old way, the dev builds it, ops run it. They blame each other when things break. The DevOps way is the shared ownership. The same team builds, ships, and maintains, where everyone owns the outcome. Problems get fixed, not passed around. If you have ever used Netflix, Amazon, or Google, your audience been served by DevOps. Netflix deploys thousands of times a day. Amazon ships code every 12 seconds. That's not magic. That's the DevOps in action. So DevOps is your kitchen without walls, where developers and operations works as one team. Shipping fast, fixing faster, right? And quick recap, it breaks the wall of confusion, uses CI/CD for continuous delivery, and shifts from blame to shared ownership. If this video has helped, just smash the like button, and also subscribe if you would like to see more and want to share, reach this video for more people. Drop a comment. What's your biggest wall of confusion or biggest challenge in your team? And let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.